going to bring you into this combo I'm doing today. It deals with rope skipping, core exercises, pull-ups, push-ups, and some of the deep squatting and split squatting. So I'll take you through the circuit, and I'll basically explain as I'm going along. That way it'll be nice and easy to follow along. And then you can continue on after that with however many rounds you want to do, 3 to 5, and also the amount of reps you want to do. So we'll just get things kicking and starting off with some rope skipping. And this rope skipping, you can use whatever pattern you like. It just so happens I'm on a round where I'm doing jumping jacks inside the skips. So I did 100 of those, something like that. Didn't have the exact count since I was talking. And then from there, move into doing sit-ups. Nice and controlled. Don't want to flop down. Nice, easy, natural sit-ups. Use whatever modifications you feel you need to. For instance, you can grab onto the back of your legs, help yourself up. Same thing with the knees if you need to, or on the floor, or ground. Up to you. Do some for good luck, just in case I didn't get them all. All right. From there, get a little bit of downward jumping practice in. And then doing pull-ups. So the pull-ups, as I've mentioned before, in order to have a controlled movement or to not swing as much, you want to control yourself as you're making your descent. That way it'll keep you from swinging back and forth. Nice dismount, and a little bit of that practice on the upward jump. All right, then into side sit-ups. Doing 20 of these. All right. So again, nice controlled movement. Don't want to flop down on your back. And if you need to, take your breaks, your rest in the exercise or in between as much as you need to. Then deep squats for repetitions. Doing 10 of these. Okay. Moving into rotational sit-ups. Then change directions. All right. Again, nice smooth movement. So you ease down onto your back, roll over to the back side, then come up in the other side. Nice fluid motion. Like when you're scrambling on the ground, getting used to that ability to move one side to the other with a smooth transition. Then on the push-ups, doing 20. Those push-ups, the angle that you're looking at, his elbows are going 45 degrees behind you. Not so much straight out to the side, but behind you. Going straight back, that's another exercise, another variation of the push-ups. Okay, so on to back flutter kicks. You can use the same variation also where your fists are down. It's up to you. Then moving into split squats. All right, finishing off with leg levers. Okay, that's one round. And you can continue on doing your rope skipping and doing the combo over again. So hopefully you'll enjoy that one. Again, go at your own pace, engage yourself as you're moving along. Take the breaks that you need to, speed it up if you have to, and enjoy your practice.